BiblioCommons is the Elk Grove Village Public Library's new catalog. To use the new catalog, you'll need to create an account. In this video, I'll show you how. First, open a web browser and go to egvpl.org. Click on My Account in the upper right-hand corner to begin registering your account. The first time you log in, you will enter your library barcode and your PIN number. Your PIN number is usually the last 4 digits of your phone number. Click Continue to Account Setup. Review the information here, including your email address. Then, click Continue. Now you'll create a username. If you create one now and then decide to change it, you can do that later. If you ever forget your username, you can always log in with your library barcode number. Tick the box to accept the terms of use. Then click Complete Account Setup. Click Continue to My Account. Here you can review the settings in your account. You can enable borrowing history to see items you've returned to the library. And that's it. Now you can start searching in the new catalog. If you have any questions, contact the library and we'll be happy to help. Happy reading!